My name's Ravi Sharma and I'm trying to build Australia's largest buyers agency. So join me on Behind the Buyers as we show you all the behind the scenes. This is Search Property.
Guys!
Thanks, guys! Woo! And no one unsubscribe, please. Alright, amazing. Let's go. Team effort.
The teas, which is in here as well. I'll just pop everything on the table.
Yeah.
So we got the caps, the beanie, which was quite cool. I think we decided against the yellow. We were trying something different, and we we're going to try to see how the yellow looks as a shirt. But I think we all kind of decided that it's a bit nice.
School carnival.
School carnival, yeah. It actually is school carnival. So I do kind of like the white. I think for the team as well.
Oh, bad luck.
Didn't expect that.
That's awesome. I actually really like the bags.
really
I
nice.
think they're cool.
Bags are cool.
Because they're all little sizes of the shirt. So
I think bags cool. This needs to be bigger though.
okay, logo bigger on the bags. Okay.
And maybe on both sides.
Both sides.
Both side logo.
Oh,
Like,
so
so
someone
you're sitting
else.
there.
Okay, so you're watching. You got the socks on.
I got the socks.
You got the socks on. Okay. I'm just here. I'm just here with my phone.
But
And
they're
then you look up and I turn around and
Bro, we get
I see the
cancelled
visual.
day one.
We're ready.
Alright, so we just wrapped up the meeting with the crew about merchandise. So we're getting some team swag. And then we've also got stuff for clients. So we, at the moment, don't have like a hamper thing that we can give to clients, but now we're gonna have something, and yeah, I'm hoping everyone wears socks.
We did a new form for the Wealth Builder, and I was just waiting for this to go live, and that meant that we could turn off active campaigns. So if you see a Klaviyo thing on the CRM, where they came from like this form.
Yeah, nice. Other things to note, so we did break the all-time high with re-engaged sales in a month, this month, which is very good, and that's because of you guys as well. That email did really, really well, obviously. We, as a team, are one away from tying our all-time high sales in a month, ever.
What do you think contributed towards that growth?
The efficiencies, number one. So the CRM that we've implemented, it's in-house built, so there's a lot of customization. It saves us a lot of time. There's basically no admin to be done from our end, so we can focus on productive activities. Obviously the brand is building and growing. Ravi's doing his thing. And our team just keeps getting better and better. Doing a lot of training, one-on-ones, core reviews. Everyone's very open to feedback and applying that feedback.
So now that number is 19, and we need to get to.
20. That big 2-0.
And when do we need that 20 by?
Tonight.
Midnight?
Midnight tonight.
Can we do it, gang?
We can do it. Anything can be done with the right attitude, the right team, and the right sort of programs in place, right?
It'll be done.
It'll be done. It'll be done.
If there's one team that could get it done, that would get it done, that should get it done, it's this team right here.
So a woman commented on our Meta ads. They went live last night, and it says to book a call in the ad, but she just commented her own personal mobile number under the ad, which obviously you don't want people to see that online. So I deleted it, and I messaged her and said, please use this link to call us, or if you fill out the form, one of our sales agents can call us. But she just tried to call us back through Meta Messenger. Didn't know it was possible for it to come up through desktop, but it filled my screen and it said missed call. So Ruben is now going to phone
You
her
ready
back
for this, Ruben?
and see what she has to say.
All right, let's do it. Oh, what happened?
Yeah, so
It's interesting.
she said she had a self-managed super fund with $900,000 in it, and it's just sitting there. It's not invested, so it's not working for her. She doesn't know what to do with it. So she wanted to have a chat about that. She sounds like a very busy woman, but we booked her in for Monday at 3 p.m. Darwin time. So try and get a hold of her and sort her out.
She just tried to have a full strategy
Yeah,
consult over the phone
she
as
did.
soon as you called.
She did. Yeah, a lot of them do that.
I brought it for you. You have to try it now.
I will. Oh, how much speed do you go?
You're gonna get one step every
Okay. No, this guy's got to go.
Okay,
Bro, no.
Wait, can I do it?
Yeah.
Yeah, go. Okay,
Are you sure?
no, don't just go back onto it. Jump on it. No, go. We all did it.
You did it.
Yeah, I'll be like, yeah. You're almost at top speed.
Just go on. It's not that hard. No, you can jump off.
So we just started. So far, it's the basic speed.
Okay, 1.
Okay.
1 is good. Okay, now 2.5. Still bearable?
It's not bad.
What a workout. Let's go.
Go to 6. Yeah, he's like, I'm on. Let's go. Yeah, walk faster. No, don't jog. Bro, what are you doing? And 5. Oh! It's good, eh? It's good. Yeah, just jump off. Well done. You can have a phone call. Okay, you can have an interview. You can do this for an hour straight at this speed.
This is like my
That's fast, bro. And this is with an incline as well. There's an incline, yeah. There you go. We should get one, eh? All right, search property. You know what to do.
My name's Ridge, one of the senior property consultants here. Here we're doing an assessment call. So basically, it's the initial call that we do with clients to get a bit of an idea around who they are, their situation, their finances, and their goals, most importantly, so that we can figure out how we can best help them to achieve their goals through investing in property. This is more of the preliminary procedure. Typically from here we would book another call where we can use all of those details to go through, talk about more specifics, and really make a plan on how to act to achieve those goals next. Hey, this is Ridge from Search Property. How you doing?
Hey, how you going?
Very well, thank you. We just had a 15-minute call booked in. Still a good time?
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's fine.
Awesome. Well, it looks like you've got the ingredients in the making to get into another investment property here. It looks, was the plan to use some of that with a combination of savings or not touch the savings? Did you have a bit of an idea around how you wanted to go that way?
I'm happy to
Had you talked about deposit size with the broker at all? Whether you're going to go with a 20% or maybe a 10 or a 12 and take on some LMI? Great. Well, let me give you a little bit of a run through on Search Property, let you know if anything's changed. You can maybe let me know if this sounds a little bit different. Now, our focus is on acquiring established houses and in some situations, alternative dwellings. Now, we're also a very data-driven company. What that means is the areas that we purchase in, and we're looking to purchase wherever that makes the most sense. What we're looking for are properties that offer a good balance, where we're not only achieving strong capital growth, but at the same time, we're achieving strong rental growth and maintaining strong rental yields. Now, as far as the service that we provide, it's more or less end-to-end. We handle everything from sourcing the property on your behalf to negotiating on the price, conducting all of the due diligence. Does that all make sense?
Yeah, makes sense.
Awesome. If you need anything before we have that call next week, you've got my mobile number here, so feel free to save that down. My name was Ridge, R-I-D-G-E. So reach out, call or text if you need anything. Otherwise, write down any questions you've got, bring it to our next chat. We can get everything answered.
Okay, no problem.
Awesome. No worries. Appreciate your time today, Tim.
Thank you.
Take care. Have a good one. Bye. And that's more or less what an initial call with Search Property looks like. That's the details that we go through. And that's how we book in for our next sort of discovery or strategy call, where we can talk about next steps and what we need to do next in order to achieve our clients' goals.
Alright, so just from a top level, this is obviously the ads interface. I'll go into previews of the ads. You can see over here we've actually got 5 leads now. So there's now been 5 leads. We've just got one for the young investors as well.
Is leads means like they book a call?
Yeah. Oh. And they've all come from this one ad. This was one of our top performing ads before. That's just a static. So these are all the ads that are going at the moment. Yeah.
And you can see it in the marketing dashboard now. So like it has the
I don't think we have access to the marketing one yet.
Yep.
How are we?
A runner?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll run.
Jump on. I'll put it up higher speed. This is the max. This is bro. You're just walking. You're not even. How do you feel?
I
feel like I've burnt 9 calories.
Damn.
Gotta get some food from
Bro,
downstairs.
cardio in the morning, peaking. Let's go.
Energy level's high.
Let's freaking go. You reckon you could work like this as well? Is that a thing?
No.
You can't walk. You couldn't work. No way. Oh damn. Okay. Okay. All right. Thoughts? How are we feeling?
Yeah, good.
Yeah. Talk to me. Talk to me.
This is easy.
This is easy. Blood pumping.
I'm gonna fall off in a second.
Nah, you got this. You're right.
Just
don't fall off. You'll be fine.
Okay.
So Luca from the team used to wear a beanie all the time, and everyone would give him so much shit for it because it was ugly. Apparently, I didn't really say anything. So I think he's available.
Peter, do you know where Luca is? I don't know where Luca is. Luca's MIA.
Maybe in the front. Might be in the front. He's on a call. He's on a call. So we can't give it to him yet. You only got one.
Yeah.
And
Oh, bro, you only got one. You're joking.
because everyone gives shit to you about your like previous.
Oh, thank you so much, bro. I love this. I'm gonna wear this right now. Oh, it's crazy. Thank you, bro. I appreciate you.
I appreciate
I'm
you.
so keen. That made my day. Love it. Love it. Thanks, guys. I'm never gonna take this off. I'm gonna sleep with this thing on. Cannot wait.
Hey, I'm Anthony. I'm the sourcing manager here at Search Property. So essentially I source the deals and work with the agents to get the best value for the client. And at the moment I've just secured a property in Mildura in Victoria, and I'm just writing up the reports and getting all that sorted so we can go to the client and present the property to them and go from there.
Hi, my name is Nicole and I'm a full stack software developer here at Search Property. So what that means is I build products end to end, starting from what you see on the screen to the database level, and I create APIs that connect them together. So I'm currently working on a bug that has been brought to my attention through a monitoring service that we have called Datadog. And that's good because we can see what goes wrong today, for example, in the sales team, and currently fixing that bug and seeing what's going on.
All right, we're almost there, guys. We're just waiting. It's after hours, but the marketing team is here.
We're excited.
Wow, so now we just need one person to subscribe. Did you actually?
Was that you?
What?
One more.
This is your chance, bro. Set up a new profile on Search Property.
Guys!
Thanks, guys. Woo! Now, no one unsubscribe, please. Thank you so much to all of you loving people. Can't wait to get to 1 million, guys. Not tonight, though. All right, amazing. Let's go. Team effort.
Robs, congrats on hitting 100k. How do you feel?
It feels weird. Like, I didn't actually think the day would come, but we're here now.
Okay, awesome. Rapid fire question number 1. What was your most popular video till date?
From memory, I'm gonna say there was a video about maybe retiring with 2 properties and how to retire, basically just purchasing 2 properties.
Awesome. Where do you think you will put the infamous silver plaque?
I will bring it into the office, so we unbox it as a team because it's a team effort. And after that, I'm gonna put it in just the background on my videos.
Awesome. What's the one thing you wish you knew when you started YouTube?
That no matter how good the content is, no matter how well you plan, there is no you have no idea how the algorithm works. You've just got to post good value, people take value from it, and hopefully they share it.
I love it. Who is your biggest YouTube inspiration?
YouTube inspiration. I'm gonna have to say it's like Marquez Brownlee. So reason for that is like a tech guy. The reason for that is because he's been uploading since he was like 12 or 13, so really young, and just consistently posted. And I only found out about him a couple of years ago. So I thought, how does this guy have all of these subs? But it's like years and years of reps. So people don't see that when they come onto the channel.
Perfect, I love it. Will you ever change your current YouTube layout?
No.
Awesome. And the final question, what's your most favorite opportunity that you've ever received because of YouTube?
Because the YouTube channel was doing so well, Spotify reached out and said, we'll fly you out to LA because we're launching something around Spotify video. So I managed to go, all expenses paid, which is really nice. in November of last year, and I got to meet Stephen Bartlett, I got to meet Chris Williamson and Jay Shetty, and it was an awesome experience.
And if anyone is starting YouTube and they're watching this video, what is one piece of advice that you wish you could tell them as they're about to start their YouTube channel?
Stay consistent, but you have to do it for the right reasons. So if you start because you just want to make money, you're probably going to fail. In my case, I just absolutely love nerding out on this sort of stuff. So if I had a business, didn't have a business, if I monetized on my channel or not, I would still be making YouTube videos.